Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you all are doing great. My name is Abu Bakr Sabi. I'm from University of Lahore. I am from the batch 17th of interns.pk. Today I am here to represent my final project, which is based on a web agency called Monster Network. This name is given by myself and the logo I made it by myself. So starting with the web company, there are 5 pages in it. First one is home page, second one is services page, third one is portfolio, fourth one is about us, and the fifth one is contact us. Starting with the home page, basically I have divided the home page into six sections, excluding the header and the footer. The first section is based upon the main heading, which is called Web Design Agency Lahore, and I have put it a video behind it. The second section is about who we are. Basically here I have defined what the company does and what they are offering, things like that. The third section is what are the services we are offering. First one is app designing, web design, iOS development, SEO, UX UI, e-commerce. The fourth section is about the portfolio, the work which we have done. Basically this section is representing that. The fifth section is the customer testimonials. Basically I've choose the dummy people and the dummy text, obviously. Moving on to the sixth section, which is our pricing, starting with the starter plan, which cost around $10 US. The Webster plan, which cost around $29 US, and Pro plan, which cost around $400 US. And the end part is the footer, obviously. Moving on to the next part, which is services. I have divided the services page into 3 sections. The first sections I have divided into 2 columns. The first column is consist of a picture. The other one, the services we are offering, basically consultancy, design, development, support. The other sections I have divided into the services we are offering, which is basically web application development, mobile application development, user interface engineering, search engine optimization, e-commerce. And the last section, how we work. Basically the first thing is planning, then designing, then developing. That's about the services page. Moving on to the portfolio page, I have divided the portfolio page into 3 sections also. The first section is about the templates, the website templates, the work we have done. The other section is about the websites we have built and the testimonials by the customers. And the last section is about if you want to hire us, you can contact us on our Gmail or our own contact number. The end part is obviously a footer. Moving on to the about us page. About us page is divided into 3 sections also. The first one is company website, what they do, or when they got built, or what they have done. Other than is our team. Basically I've choose dummy people, and all of them are dummy peoples, obviously. And the end section is about send your CV, as we are hiring. Obviously you can contact us on our given email or given number, or the social handles we have given there. And the end part is the footer part. Moving on to the last page of the website, which is contact us. I have divided contact us into 4 sections. If you need any help, you can contact our customer service centers people, or you can read the knowledge base or the manuals, or if you want to get the code snippets, you can obviously contact our customer services people. The other thing is, if you want to know our location, we are based on Block L, Gulberg 3, Lahore, and we have given our contact number. Other than that, if you want to send us an email, if you have any query, or if you want to discuss your project, or if you want to get a get build a project, you can obviously contact us on the given form which I have given, and the end part is our location on the map, and obviously the end is footer. This is all about my project. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.